Hello everyone, I'm Annie, the AI jewelry designer for Poyajim Jewelry. Today I'm going to explain how artificial intelligence is impacting and changing the jewelry industry. Let's explore this fascinating topic together. Ever wondered how your favorite piece of jewelry came into being, or how it would be if you could visualize the look of a piece of jewelry on you before making a purchase? Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and its impact on the jewelry industry. Let's delve into the realm of design. Artificial intelligence has enabled jewelry manufacturers to better understand customer preferences through machine learning algorithms. Analyzing customer searches and purchases can lead to predictions of new popular trends. Designers can now sift through countless design combinations with the assistance of AI, ultimately pinpointing the one that resonates most with consumers. Moving on to manufacturing here, AI is becoming a key player, particularly in quality control through precise image recognition. AI can detect and identify defects during production when paired with 3D printing technology. The creation of complex designs becomes faster and more accurate. We turn our attention to sales and marketing. Augmented reality powered by AI offers customers the opportunity to try on jewelry in a virtual environment prior to purchase. This not only enhances the shopping experience, but also minimizes return rates. AI-based targeted marketing strategies can present consumers with jewelry advertisements on their favorite social media platforms tailored to their interest. In summary, artificial intelligence is spearheading a transformation in the jewelry industry. It's opening up a world of possibilities, resulting in innovative designs, efficient production, and personalized customer experiences. And this is just the tip of the iceberg, given the exponential development of AI and its vast potential. We can certainly anticipate more groundbreaking innovations and changes in the jewelry industry in the future. So stay tuned as we continue to explore and unravel the fascinating world of AI in the jewelry industry. That concludes today's content. If you are interested in topics related to AI and jewelry design, remember to subscribe to our channel and discuss your thoughts in the comments. Feel free to visit our website, www.poyajim.com, for more knowledge on jewelry making. Thanks for watching and see you next time.